Hello guys, let's discuss about what is data types. Data types are the collections or categories that define the type of data that variable or value can hold in a programming languages. What are the different types of data types in Python? First one is numeric types, second one is sequence type, third one is mapping type, set type, boolean type and other type. First discuss about numeric types. Numeric types are int, float and complex. Int represents integers like 5, -10, 0, etc. Float represents the floating point numbers, decimal numbers like 3.14, -2.5, etc. Complex represents complex numbers in the form of a plus bj, where a and b are floats and j is the imaginary number. Sequence types are strings, list, and tuple. String represents of characters like hello world, name, uh, word. Like list represents an ordered collections of elements enclosed in square brackets. And example, here you can see square bracket 1, 2, 3. Tuple represents an ordered collection of elements enclosed in the parenthesis. Parenthesis, example 1, parenthesis 1, 2, 3. A mapping type is dictionary. Dictionary represents an unordered collections of key value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Each value is associated with an unique key. Set types. Set represents an unordered collections of unique elements enclosed in a curly braces or created using the set function. Boolean type. Boolean represents Boolean value either true or false. Other types. None represents a null or empty value.